Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to build a website with Bluehost. First, you will need to select a hosting plan that aligns with your website's requirements, whether it is a small personal blog or a larger e-commerce store. Next, choose a memorable domain name that truly reflects your brand. Finally, complete the straightforward account setup process, providing your necessary information to get started on your online journey. Once your Bluehost account is active, installing WordPress is incredibly simple. Bluehost provides a fantastic one-click installation feature, making the process quick and painless. Just head over to the My Sites section in your dashboard, locate your domain, and follow the intuitive prompts. In just a few moments, your WordPress site will be ready for you to begin building. With WordPress installed, it is time to make your website truly yours. You can explore thousands of free and premium themes to find the perfect design that matches your vision. Use the powerful WordPress customizer to easily adjust colors, fonts, and layouts. Don't forget to add essential plugins for features like search engine optimization and robust security, ensuring your site performs at its best. Before launching, take a moment to meticulously review all your website's content and pages for any errors or omissions. Ensure your site is optimized for quick loading times and looks fantastic on all devices, from desktops to smartphones. Once you are confident everything is perfect, hit that Publish button. Your new website will then be live and ready for the world to see.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.